In the criminal justice system, the people are usually represented by two equally important groups. However, the mayor cut funding to both of these groups in order to fuel his own chicken and waffles addiction. This took place shortly afterwards.
No, I watched Law and Order.
Law and Order is not the same thing.
Do you watch Judge Dredd?
Judge Dredd. Judge Dredd is not the same as a regular judge. Okay, well, a bailiff is just a person who stands at the side of the judge and makes snarky remarks when the judge does the same. And he also obviously guards the door, make sure no one shoots anyone.
Okay, makes snarky remarks when the judge does what?
When he does so. When the mayor prompts you to make a snarky remark, you make a snarky remark.
Do you want me to be like the black guy that always stood next to Judge Judy and Judge Judy?
Yes! I thought you said you never watched Judge Judy!
I watched some of it, but I didn't like religiously watch it.
Well, then you understand what I'm talking about. Be the bailiff.
So I'm like the big black guy that's like, if something goes wrong, he's like, shut the fuck up. Well, he doesn't actually say that, but he's like the big tough guy.
Yeah, like
he's
that.
like, don't do that.
Yeah, like that. Shut up, Takaris. Okay.
The jury's not even allowed to talk.
You're not even supposed to be sitting right there. You're not even supposed to be sitting right there. That's where the freaking person taking the stand goes. Go sit in the freaking jury thing.
She made me watch. I'm stuck. Thank you.
Nice shot.
Let me hear from the arresting officer first. What is Shut up! What is your account on this story, Dat Kush?
Use your dick.
I was going through the sewer.
Use your dick. I was going through the sewer. Use it.
Order!
And I found like baggies of crack. I was finding baggies of crack and I just followed the trail under the sewers. I found some rat and shit and
Stop.
You're the jury! Sit down, Takaris. Alright, yes. Every time I say order in the courtroom, just start banging the nightstick. Order in this courtroom! Not you, Kush! Give me your account on how you arrested Kaylee.
I followed those baggies of crack on the ground, you know, and it smelled like mass cooking. And like, you know, I followed the house burning, and I arrested this woman, you know, on site.
Okay.
That is it, sir.
Your Honor, my defendant did in fact rape and kill that man. However, it was completely justified as he was a faggot.
What?
Court is in order.
If you look in the Constitution, we have the right to bear arms. So, I tell you, this man went on her property. Oh, what?
How is the right to bear arms raping? Really?
If you read the fine print, sir, you can see
it literally says
small writing after the...
Did anyone else see that? Look up, look right there. Look right there on the window. There's freaking bullet hole in the window.
See?
Oh yeah.
Stop it.
Alright. I'm not taking this seriously.
Everyone shut up. Okay, this practice run is over. Think we've practiced enough.
Wait, so who's his lawyer?
His lawyer will be... No, you're the bailiff.
I want to be a lawyer.
Phoenix Wright. Phoenix Wright. Phoenix Wright, or the defendant. Harvey Birdman, you will assist Takaris because Takaris is the arresting officer. Takaris, you're the arresting officer. Go sit in the plaintiff's corner. This is Outlaw Pinkman versus the state of EvoCity. Or the city of EvoCity. Actually, you know what? The state sounds better. The state of EvoCity. Okay. There's only one rule for jury duty. Actually, there's two rules. One, no throwing... Actually, no, there's three rules. One, no throwing things around in the courtroom. No screwing up my paper towel. Who the crap... Rule one, no touching my paper towels. Number two, no killing anyone or pulling any guns out. Number three, no throwing crap around the room. Okay. Okay, so let me just hear the arresting officer's side of this story.
Okay, so pretty much.
Hey, approach the stand so the people approach the stand. So oh my God, my paper towels! All right, Dakaris, just approach the bench and start speaking so that everyone can hear.
Okay, so I was making my daily routine. I was driving around with my partner Kush. We were driving around.
Who I understand is your partner in more than one way.
Yes. Thank you for acknowledging that.
Okay.
We are the first gay marriage in EvoCity. We're having our honeymoon soon. Off topic.
You bastard.
Okay. Okay, so we were making our daily rounds around suburbs, and we're driving around, and all of a sudden, okay.
Don't let it distract you.
We were driving around, and in the alleyways, like right in between houses by the trees, all of a sudden, we just see a lot of movement and a lot of screaming we're hearing. So we get out of the car, and what do we see? We see this man. We see this man right here, a 9-year-old girl. We get out of the car, we walk over there, we start to see what's going on, so we start running. We're saying, hey, stop, stop! And all of a sudden he takes out a knife and stabs her 72 times in the chest and runs.
How did you
let her
stab her 72 times?
How many times? That's a little weird.
Did you sit there and watch? Like all 72 times?
3, 4, 5, 6.
Like, okay, now let's arrest you. You just stood there and counted? What the hell's wrong with you?
No. See, I don't think you guys know how far away we were. It was a pretty decent job.
You were that far away, yet you were able to count the amount of times.
Order in this courtroom! Order in this courtroom!
I was witness. I witnessed it all. I was sitting down and having my ice cream cone, and I saw this man touch him inappropriately. I saw him with my own eyes.
Shut up!
I saw him with my own eyes. Do I get ice cream now?
I can't do this.
Shut up!
I can't do this.
Shut up, Dakaris! Go sit down!
We did an autopsy of
Alright,
the body.
just go sit back down. I'm gonna get the defendant's side of this now.
I'm gonna just go on out on a limb here and say that the autopsy revealed that the 72 times of her being stabbed might have resulted in her death.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. And we also found a large amount of stuff down her.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What?
And it's the bomb.
What is that noise?
The bomb? What the fuck?
Why?
Everybody in the back of the room.
Everyone to the back office! Everyone to the back office! Everyone to the back! Stay calm! Everybody stay calm!
Go.
People out there.
Wait, hold on. Okay, good. Kush is here.
Possibly the best idea I've ever had.
Kush, hold me.
All right, I think it's
guys,
over.
It's over.
I think it's over. Let's go.
All right.
Back.
Let's go back. Guys, it's good.
Let's go continue.
Okay, I want to hear Outlaw's side of the story.
And her name
Approach
is
the
Niv.
bench. Shut up! Approach the bench, Outlaw. Now say your side of the story. Kaylee, put the gun down.
We're gonna arrest you.
Shut up!
And we're gonna have another court case.
Shut up! You were in front of the bank, trying to get some stuff from the bank.
Harvey.
All of a sudden, you get arrested.
Harvey. Call an objection.
Okay. All right. I understand that there is a witness. Shut up! Order in this courtroom. It is to my understanding that there is a witness. That witness can come up anonymously.
Firefighter.
Or I could. Okay. This next witness is the 9-year-old in question. It's her cousin Steve. He's coming up. You can take the stand, little boy. You can take the stand. It's all right. Don't be scared. All right.
Wow.
All right. You.
I was at the bank.
All right. I'm gonna have the arresting. I'm gonna have Harvey Birdman. I'm gonna have him come up and question. I'm gonna have him question this little boy on what he knows about the event.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Listen, so what do you know about rape?
Well, It happened to my 9-year-old cousin. She was sitting in front of the Bank of America, and the guy brought her around the back and touched her in the no-no spot.
And what did you do in this situation?
I took a picture and then ran away. And it said
So all you did was stand there, take a picture, and in public.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. No, wait. Steve, we're not done with you.
I need a sex
Go
doll.
sit back down.
Okay, let me borrow that. I'm just gonna borrow it. Okay, Steve,
everybody...
no, let me handle this. Let me handle this real quick.
Alright, the bailiff is going to provide his insight.
Why is
Did he touch you here?
so big?
He touched her right there in the pink circle. Right there in the pink circle between the legs.
Objection,
Right
that's an
there.
oval.
Right there.
I understand.
Right there.
Please take your seat. No, not over there. Back at the stand.
Here, you
One
can
more
have
line
it.
of questioning.
Yeah,
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, Phoenix Wright, it's your time to question the witness on what he knows. Go sit down, Harvey Birdman.
Alright, so let me get this straight.
Bailiff, come beat this man.
That tickles.
Bailiff, come beat this man. There you
I
go.
didn't
Go
even
sit
get
down.
enough questioning in. Dang, damn it.
So, is it also true that night you posted a picture online?
I posted it on my Facebook and all my friends from elementary school liked it.
Is it also true
He
that you
posted
paid
it
that
on
man?
MySpace.
Smokey, go sit down.
That you paid Outlaw. You paid Outlaw to do this to your cousin because he always had a crush on her. And you thought it'd be weird.
Well,
That's actually hilarious.
I
We shouldn't
actually
say
did
that.
kind of like her, but I didn't really want to say anything about it, so I told Outlaw to do a few things, but that wasn't anything. I didn't mean to. I'm only 9.
Okay, you can go sit back down now. You can go sit back down now. Okay, this court will come to order now. I'm going to be hearing what is the proposed severity of the punishment for Outlaw if the court finds him guilty.
Very low.
Oh my god, I heard my voice. We are
I heard my
requesting.
voice.
Well, okay, let's just run things over again. Okay, he raped and murdered a 9-year-old girl, stabbing her 72 times, and you're proposing what?
We were proposing life in jail.
Also,
Okay.
many
No,
monies.
I would say at least 2 weeks in jail.
Life
Okay,
in
2 weeks in jail
and
it is.
$3
2 weeks in jail it
million.
is.
No, hold on. Life in jail.
Oh,
and
no,
$3
2 weeks in
million
jail
to
seems a
family.
bit strong.
Taxpayers' money to pay for education when she was gonna end up as a stripper anyway.
9-year-olds suck, man.
Shut up!
Contribute nothing to society.
Bailiff, please escort this man out of the room.
ADM.
He's flying. A dumbass.
He does have superpowers. He's the Superboy Wonder.
Oh god.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
This is police brutality! Stop it! Go sit back
No,
down.
do it more. I'm enjoying myself.
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna hear. Everyone, shut up! I'm gonna hear closing statements now. All right. Closing statements.
I don't even get any questions.
Takaris, you will be represented by Harvey Birdman. He will give me your closing statements.
Closing statement.
Shut up.
My closing
Shut up.
statement is that if you only get 2 minutes in jail, I'm gonna go out and do it.
Oh god. My closing statement is that kid learned mind control. He's controlling all of us right now.
Yo, it's Big Brother.
What? I have found the suspect, Outlaw Pinkman, guilty as charged, and he will serve 2 minutes in jail for the rape and murder. For the rape and murder of an unnamed 9-year-old girl and stabbing her 72 times.
Boo. Boo.
This session is over.
Run, outlaw, run!
Oh crap!
I think he's on.
Ah! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Officers, do something! I'm stuck!
Run, outlaw, run! I believe in your
I can't
rape.
freaking move!
Okay, I'm stuck.
Go!
Oh god! I got the situation under control.
These bombs are too expensive! I have raised taxes to 40% to cover up the expenses of these bombs. Everyone, look, everyone just cover the bomb. It'll be so doused that no one will die.
Holy shit, I live.